Now, what I'm hoping to showcase in this one is when the frame is split in half. Your job is to look for those moments where you can split your frame in half. The screen that you see on your phone screen or your controller. Drones have this ability to see these different landscapes from above. And one cool thing that you can do is split your photo in half. You can use something like the landscape as your division line. Again, what is showcased is actually in this video. You can see me. A way to do this would be to film the sea, the shoreline here, and the side. This would be a split in the half. By the way, you can actually see the symmetry in this image. Exactly. Once again, you can split it in half. Do you see a line in the street? Yes, this is split in half. Now, if I had this in mind, but this video is an example because it was shot a long, long, long time ago. And the idea here is to get an example about this. So what would this be split in half? It would be this area over here. The center would be this line, and the image, the frame, would have been split in half. What else would have been split in half? Having this line of the street over here as the center, and that was going to be split in half by the houses over there and the parking lots, etc. Now, do I do this at all in my video? I hope I am, because if not, I actually do this. But it's not perfect. And my idea over here was not to get this drone image, but that was exactly what I was planning. Again, you can see how this video is split in half. Obviously, this is a more of an amateur flight because I do a lot better now, especially when I'm recording, but you can clearly see what I'm talking about. This is a bit centered, it's not split in half. Again, this would have been split in half if the center of the shoreline were getting there. Are we? I think we are. I think we are. Yes. Now, this this would have been a screen. It's a bit tilting on the right, but if I was going to film at a straight line on this shoreline, this frame would have been split in half. You can do it, uh, in this way, horizontally or vertically, whatever you wanna do, you can do it. Just always be mindful of your surroundings and what you're planning to do. Different lines, different physical line, like a train track or a landscape that is shaped in a way like we showcased in the shoreline. It is easy. You can just draw a mental line or a physical line from the video that you have, from the image that you're getting on your controller or receiver or whatever you have. And that's it. Is it as easy as showcased? Now, are you using this? Will you use this? Was this tip helpful? And what's your tip to add for the next one? If it's good enough, I'm gonna add it. So, do share. Until the next one, have a great, great, great rest of the day. Cheers, mate.